Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back y'all. It is time for a natural hair break. So I've got a new unit from Beauty Forever, y'all. So I've got a 7x5 Yaki unit, you guys. They've pretty much done all the work for you. The unit is pre-plucked, the hair is Yaki, which is soft, shiny, and just, it's really good, you guys. At the top and around the wig, you have the anti-slip strips, which is going to keep your wig in place. You also have the upgraded elastic strap that's going to keep the lace nice and flush to your head and stop it from curling. And also you've got the drawstring in the back that's going to add a little bit more security, which I like, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it because it is 2026, y'all. There should be no wig slipping off nobody's head at this point. So my girls who really want to start wearing wigs, who just need that like protective style break, a true protective style, because I think wigs are, come to the front. Let me talk to you real fast because at this point I have made enough videos that y'all should be pros at putting on your wig. But if you are not, if you're still a little timid, this is going to be the perfect starter for you. A good bob wig is always going to be the perfect starter. Something that's easy like this, a good 7x5 closure unit that's already pre-plucked. They have done all the work for you. This is what you're going to do. You're going to grab your even spray like I'm using right here. I've been using this for the past couple months, y'all, and I can't believe I stopped using it. It gives such a secure hold. I spray just maybe like 3 or 4 little small sprays, and then I focus on the very edge of the lace. That is what you want to focus on first and get that to melt down. And then you take your, your rat tail comb and go in between and, press it all down to your forehead. And at the end, it should just be dry. Okay. So that's your starter. The next thing I do is then I go in and adjust my drawstring, y'all. Doing it this way just makes the unit just so much more comfortable to wear. And then after you've melted, your lace, which was super easy, it should take you about 2 minutes. This is how you should be looking, okay? So most people would stop here, or I should say some people would stop here. As for me, it's not gonna happen, okay? I can't get with the no like edges. I'm gonna be like 75 years old still laying my baby hair, and I'm not gonna care, okay? It's my head, I do what I want. So I'm going to do this in as little as possible because with a bob unit, I guess you don't really need too much of your edges laid. But again, I've always been an advocate for you do what you like and do what makes you feel good, and don't let nobody tell you any different, okay? So that's what I'm doing. Now, a big tip for you, especially for my beginners, with laying your edges when it comes to Yaki hair. This Yaki hair is absolutely beautiful, you guys. It works and it responds to heat like magically. It's so good. So I'm just using my little bitty curling wand or curling iron, I should say, and just curling the edges. Now, I don't do this, or I didn't do this in the beginning. And I rarely use my little wand curler. I keep saying wand curling, it's a curling iron. But I find with Yaki textures, it works a lot better, and it gives you that more of like a laid edges look instead of your edges looking straight. However, using a little pencil curler can be a bit intimidating, okay? I get it, because last thing we want is to burn our forehead. So if you are just not at that step yet, again, speaking to my girls who are just beginners, we starting off, just use your foam, y'all. Just use this foam like I'm using right here. It's a lot of body foam. I work quickly, so that's the thing though. So if you're gonna use the foam, work quickly, get your edges laid exactly how you want to, because you don't want that foam to really start mixing and sit on your hairline, because it might make your lace come up. But all of it like kind of, mixed together gives you the perfect melt, which y'all will see right here. I let this sit for about 10 minutes, y'all, and it came out so freaking good. So once I've got that down, y'all, I'm just going to use my flat iron and just run it through. This Yaki hair, and it being a bob, a short bob, I believe this is either 12 or 14 inch, but y'all make sure you check the description box. I'll have the exact one and the exact length that I'm wearing right here. You don't gotta do much, okay? Again, this is what I'm going for. I have not popped on a wig, y'all, in such a hot minute. It's been a second, and this gave me it just made me feel like that girl. It made me all chic feeling and just super cute. And I had to take a break from my colored hair because I'm still trying to figure that out. And it's been a good, it's been a good journey so far, 2026, with me dyeing my hair, but I will definitely always need a bob unit in my stash. So yeah, y'all, I'm just working in bigger sections. This hair, like I said, took heat so well. It is bouncy, y'all. It's shiny. It is soft. And y'all, this is all done in natural sunlight, so keep that in mind. I rarely do artificial lighting with my videos. The luster is perfect on it, and also the cut. So of course I'm gonna hit the top with my wax stick in hot comb combination. But another big tip for y'all, as someone who has been a wig wearer for a good second and someone who is obsessed with Yaki textures as well, do not use a lot of this wax stick on your Yaki unit. I'm telling you right now, it is going to make it look so like oily and stiff, and just you're gonna end up needing to wash it a lot sooner than you would have if you just would have just went a little bit lighter on it. So kind of just keep it, you know, use it in your hands as well if you want to warm it up in your hands and then apply it to your hair. That's another good tip to do, but I'm just giving you a warning right now to not go overboard. Now, if there is nothing you take away from this video, okay, it is to lift those baby hairs off of your hairline. I do this with no matter the unit I'm wearing, y'all. I do not want my edges sticking to my forehead. I like them nice and fluffy. And y'all, the next thing is making sure, especially, honestly, even if you're not wearing any makeup, add some bronzer, okay? Add some more bronzer like I'm doing right now to your hairline as well, so that it all blends. You have to tint that lace a little bit. This is such a crucial step that I feel like a lot of people are missing. And once you've got it down, you add a little bit of the mica spray, y'all, add a little bit of gloss, and here is the first final look for you. Okay, y'all, so I decided that I'm going to cut this unit just a little bit. I just felt like the length, I just wanted just not resting on my shoulders. That's basically what it was. Y'all, sometimes you just have to do a little bit, just taking a little bit off. I think I took like an inch will make the biggest difference, and customize it to your liking, to your face shape, to your everything. And I ended up loving it like this. So here is the look after I just took a couple inches off. That's all I did, nothing big. So next, if you want your unit curled, so I'm gonna do like a slight wave with this bob because the hair is on the shorter side. It's much easier to do it with your flat iron, to me, I guess it is, than using an actual like curling wand or a curling iron. The flat iron is just much easier. I try my best to not bring the flat iron all the way to the ends of the hair, so make the ends just a little bit straighter for just like that slight beach wavy kind of look. And I think it came out cute, you guys. It was very easy to use. I used this Sebastian hairspray as well just to give me a little bit of hold. If you are going to be getting this unit and you're going to obviously be wearing it for spring, summer, make sure you have a really good hairspray. I think that's with any Yaki texture. It's gonna hold a curl, but the more you're out and about with the humidity and all that kind of stuff, you're gonna make sure you definitely have used a good hairspray to hold whatever kind of wave or curl you put into your hair. And once I use my hairspray, I just use my fingers to just loosen up the wave, you guys, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think the hair is absolutely beautiful. Y'all make sure you check the description box. I'll have everything listed down there for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.
Somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name, say my name.